Today, we're going to go over how to clean your high-definition thermostat screen using Clorox or Lysol wipes. It is important to understand that we do not want to overclean or use an excess of cleaning agents such as aerosol sprays, bleaches, or any types of abrasives. We will also want to make sure we do not get any moisture in the openings such as USB ports or the vents. We'll want to navigate ourselves to the clean screen section within the thermostat. So if we go to the upper right-hand corner to the little boxes and then select settings, then we'll want to go over here to the display portion and scroll up until we see the clean screen section. Once we push this button, this will give us 30 seconds to clean the screen without any disruption to other settings within the thermostat. During this time, we'll want to lightly wipe the screen with our special cleaning wipes. Please note that excessive pressure or excessive cleaning agent may leave a stain on the screen, which could be removed by cleaning with an alcohol solution consisting of 60% alcohol and 40% water. Once the 30 seconds has expired, the thermostat will go back to its previous location, and from there, we'll go to the little home screen and take it back to the home screen. Hopefully, you found this video useful in showing you the proper technique of how to clean your screen of your S30 thermostat. Thank you.